Do you have a courgette and carrots? If so, why not make healthy, easy, simple, and incredibly delicious breakfast cakes? Prepare 1 carrot and half a large courgette. Some people call them zucchini. And small sausage, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 2 spring onions. Grate the courgette and carrots into a small slice. Place them in a bowl with a little salt. Stir well and allow to stand for 20 minutes. While you wait, chop the spring onions and the sausage into small pieces. After 20 minutes, squeeze the courgettes and the carrots dry and then put them into a large bowl. Add 2 eggs, the chopped spring onions, and the sausage. Add a pinch each of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of flour, and just enough water. Now you're going to mix them up into consistency just like this. Heat a small amount of sunflower oil in a pan. Add the courgettes and carrots and make them into any size or shape you like, depending on the size of your pan. Cook over a medium heat for about 3 minutes. When the bottom is golden brown, turn over and cook for another minute or so. Now they are ready. They smell so good and taste delicious.